also known as outer space, is the near vacuum between celestial bodies. It is where all of the planets, stars, and galaxies are found. On Earth, space begins 100 kilometers above sea level. This is where Earth's atmosphere is set to stop and outer space begins. The word astronaut is derived from the Greek words astron, meaning star, and nauts, which means sailor. Thus, astronaut means star sailor in its origin. You all know that light year is the unit of length used to express astronomical distances and is equivalent to about 9.46 trillion kilometers. It is also defined as the distance that light travels in vacuum in 1 year. Do you know our Milky Way galaxy is about 1 lakh light years? So you can imagine how big is it. Do you know why astronauts' spacesuits are white in color? It is to reflect the heat they encounter while floating above the Earth. In the space near Earth in sunlight, space is 250 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas in the darkest parts of space, temperature can reach minus 454 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. And do you know the Sun is considered an average size star? The mass of the Sun is 1.989 into 10 power 30 kg. The rest of the solar system is a speck of dust in comparison. Do you know how much a spacesuit costs? The entire suit costs a cool $12 million, 70% of which cost is for the backpack and control module. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Most of us think that the hottest planet in the solar system is Mercury, as it is the closest planet to the Sun. However, Venus has a lot of gases in its surrounding, which creates a greenhouse effect that causes a constant temperature of 864 degrees Fahrenheit everywhere on the planet's surface. Have you ever noticed? Earth is the only planet not named after a god. All of the planets except for Earth were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. All we know how the Earth got its name is that it is derived from an amalgamation of both the Old English and Old Germanic words for ground. The footprints on the moon will be there for 100 million years. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the astronaut will be there for millions of years. 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus has a slow axis rotating which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on Venus. In short, even if Venus completes one revolution around the Sun, it will not complete one rotation on its axis. Weird, isn't it? We humans are polluting the air and water on Earth. Apart from that, we are also polluting the space. Space junk is any human-made object orbiting Earth that no longer serves a useful purpose. Scientists estimate there are about 5 lakh pieces of space junk today, including fragments from rockets and satellites, etc. These objects are orbiting Earth at about 17,500 miles per hour, that is 10 times as fast as the speed of bullet. Very dangerous and pathetic.